Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Now today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Boostcamp application on your mobile device. It is the best workout log application. Now guys, for this what you need to do is just open up your App Store or your Play Store. Bring up the search bar and type in Boostcamp and hit the enter. Now over here you can see the Boostcamp application on your screen. Just click on install for installation. Now to install this application, just click on install. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. Guys, see the application has been installed. Guys, stay motivated, track progress and cross your fitness goal with Boostcamp application. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.